Obviously, we've been here a long time, so we're just all like reminiscing being in these buildings. Like, although we'll be in the warehouse now, I think what everyone really loves about like us and what we do here is obviously the shop. Well, there's still gonna be a shop. We're building a new shop inside our warehouse, which is kind of cool. It's like the best of both worlds.
Hey guys, Sean Chartier, CEO of Custom Offsets. Founded in 2012, we have rapidly become the largest truck wheel and tire company in the nation. Come on in, I'll show you what we're all about.
This is wild.
Not ours anymore.
Banker, are you walking with us?
Just walk.
Welcome. Please not.
Closed. I remember coming in here before this thing was even done. They had like just laid the, what is it, epoxy down on these floors.
It looks so much nicer.
It looked like this.
Yeah, right? Wow.
How many vehicles do you think you built on it? Oh my God. So we moved here in February of 18, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Grab, I can't. You need to put your camera 52 weeks in a year,
But
it takes you 2 weeks to build a vehicle.
when we were, when we were actually cranking, it was 4 vehicles a week.
Damn, what happened?
A lot of trucks.
A lot of trucks.
Do you just drive through town and go like, oh, build that one.
Yes.
Oh, build that
All
one.
the time.
Oh, build that one. Look, I look forward to you being up in Wrightstown. There's not nearly enough pessimism up there.
I want everyone to realize that this was called the swamp because back in the day we all got shoved in here because we had too many people in this one building alone. There was no carpet, there was none of these fancy little quarter walls or whatever.
There was no air conditioning.
There was no air conditioning, hence why it was called the swamp in the summertime. And we'd play swamp ball.
I actually probably have videos.
Do you have videos of swamp ball?
This room was way more than that, though. The Tink guys were in here for a while.
Yeah.
We used to have chain link barbed wired fences in here
Right.
for
This was the
inventory.
original.
That was in here. Oh my
we had a gym.
It gets really weird when you go backwards.
Where ping pong table, and we had like the workout bench.
stickers,
Yeah.
detail kits, like all that shit got shipped out of here.
Why do I feel like Envato is way easier to search for what you're looking for? Son of a bitch.
You guys want to go into your video room that turned into a conference room?
Do you remember when that was a video? Yeah. Remember when that was a video room?
Now it's a haunted bathroom that someone else has to deal with. God damn it. No more. This is where all the leaders used to meet and talk about what we were doing next, and then it turned into poopers.
And we used to shoot turntables.
Yep.
Then went to a conference room
Yeah.
where we also shot the Custom Offsets podcast.
Yeah. Should it? Yes. Yeah, because the way. What the hell was that? See, that's why it takes you 2 weeks to build a truck now.
That was my knee.
I know.
I know, I've
That's what I'm
heard.
saying. You're getting old.
That's from moving all week.
He's getting old.
This is the room that we call the bullpen.
Oh,
You know how many times I got fucking moved in this room to different rows?
dude, we used to have like RC car. Remember we used to have like RC car races in here.
Yeah, because there's only 12 people in this room.
Oh, dude, it's crazy. Imagine there was one shitter, one urinal, and Mandy's bathroom. That was it. That's how small this place was.
I'm pretty used to it. I think that's why I have all these issues.
This was the yoga room.
This was the yoga room. We would actually do physical, like yoga in here.
We got paid to do yoga.
Archon was created on
Right
that
there.
wall
Oh yeah, this is what I was driving.
Right on the wall.
and in Sean's office. This was Sean's office.
And then it became like the CO pack.
Oh, yeah.
We had, how many people, Dustin, do you think we had in here? 50?
When you guys were on timeout,
When you guys were on time, it probably had 30 to 35.
All right, guys, so next up we're going to show you how our mornings run here in the office. This is the whole CO.
You're 45 minutes late.
It's not really that big of a deal.
It's kind of a big deal.
Okay, but I got breakfast burritos. Woo! Yeah!
Team Custom Offsets is pretty much one big family. We sit down every single day and we eat a meal together.
Dude, this is where I'd have English muffins every morning because we supplied breakfast still.
This is where Jared left crumbs all over everything all the time.
How y'all doing? What's good? Is this the custom Archon? I tried applying online at the library. They told me to come in to fill out an appy.
We don't do applications.
You don't do applications? How y'all hire?
We don't.
We also have all these back streets that we shot literally every single vehicle for
did
rollers on,
burnouts.
and they were literally perfect.
Take two. Yeah. Traction controls on.
Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wheels, pack, suspension. Right here? Yeah.
It's like 20,000 pounds. I'm pretty sure.
Concrete or wood?
It's wood. It's wood on steel.
Think about the amount of videos that were shot in this room.
Yeah.
Hey!
There's so much stuff shot.
You want to go look at the soccer field?
The soccer field was a great idea until it wasn't.
this once.
How many times do you think we used that grill?
Until it broke.
Oh, that's fair.
Everyone else that tried to clean it couldn't.
Bernardo used it once.
Ow!
We used to make burgers for the whole company on that one.
A dozen times, maybe.
No, right in my shoe. And shoe dust. Oh no, I stepped in it.
He's gonna have a wet foot the rest of the night.
Can you stop talking while I'm talking? I'm trying to wrap this video
That
up.
shit was funny.
There's so many memories, we're just gonna show them to you right now. Peace!
All right, give me 3, 2, 1. Let's get this rolling.
2, 1, go!
Dude, you're in the garage. Free game. Free game. You signed the waiver.
I know this will end up on the internet.
But I'm alright. I'm going all in all night. Ain't looking for a clean, fair fight. Like the street lights got me. My resellers downtown's off. The box stops here. Ain't nothing but calm and clear. No pain, no trouble, no fear. I'm a hot shot.
Welcome to our new home. Let's go show you around inside. The good news is we still have giant tables here so we can all eat lunch together as a family. The bad news is we've also got darts and video games, so it makes it hard to figure out what we want to do on lunch each day. So for the first time since we were small, we finally have our entire team in one place. So we have 2 floors of offices for our customer service, hi Brad, and our marketing. So that way we can all be together under the same roof, accomplishing the same goals and killing it here in the wheel game. And then we have a whole second floor dedicated to all of our marketing for all of our companies, and that's where the real fun's at. IT Chris, what's up, dude? So up here's where the magic happens. This is where our entire team creates all of the content you guys see on a daily basis and just does some badass shit. Dustin's got his own office. What? I gotta show the viewers how it's done. And by done, I mean how to wreck a car. It's not always fun and games though. Sometimes work actually does get done, just not by me. We also have the world's slowest elevator too. It's pretty cool. You can probably beat me going down the stairs. Ready? Go. Just go normal though, don't run. Hello? Is it stuck? Now that I've grown a gray beard, hey, get back to work. And this is our warehouse. Over 300,000 square feet. This is where your wheels and tires get mounted, balanced, and shipped to your door for free daily. See what I did there? We have our production lanes which put out over 100 wheel and tire packages every single day, in addition to our warehouse housing tens of thousands of wheels and tires to get you guys what you need in the quickest times possible. So over here is where our shop at some point is going to be. We've got the garage doors already in. We're basically going to have it set up, and that's about it. So this is our new home. This is our warehouse. We're in Wrightstown, Wisconsin, only 15 minutes from where we were in Appleton, Wisconsin. So if you guys need anything, wheels, tires, suspension, any of that, you know where to go, baby. That's all we got for you. Peace.
The other thing Trace asked was if you guys can try to stay more clumped together versus like all over the room.
Yeah, that's good. Shuffle this way. Oh, are we good? Are we good? Are we clumped together now for you levers? And spin. Listen, there's already enough.